Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to cut and split audio in Audacity. So if you're editing a recording and need to remove sections or break it into parts, this is exactly how you do it. First, open Audacity and import your audio file. You can drag it straight into the workspace or go to File, then Import, then Audio. Next, play your audio and decide where you want to cut. Watch the waveform and listen carefully, because the exact point you choose will affect how smooth your edit sounds. Now click and drag over the section you want to cut. You can zoom in if you need more precision. Yeah, getting the exact point helps avoid awkward jumps in sound. To cut the audio, press Ctrl+X on Windows or Command+X on Mac. This removes the selected part. If you just want to split the clip without deleting anything, place your cursor and go to Edit, then Clip Boundaries, then Split. After splitting, you can move sections around or delete parts you don't need. Just click and drag the clip to rearrange it, or select and press Delete to remove it completely. And that's how you cut and split audio in Audacity. Once you get used to it, editing becomes super fast. Just remember, split first, then refine your cuts for the cleanest result.